There, of course, was the little bit of surgical pain. I mean, after all, they did cut you. But my hip wasn't stiff anymore. It wasn't locked. There was mobility there. And when I moved my leg, and I mean, I moved my whole leg. Up until that point, I'd probably been walking basically from my knees down. I could move that whole leg. That hip could move. And it moved without pain. It moved without stopping me. And that meant I could lift it up to go up and down the steps. I wasn't working from one side to the other trying to maneuver it. I literally picked it up and put it down. And that was fascinating. I hadn't done that in a really long time. So this lack of pain in the hip, the ability for it to move freely, was mind-blowing because it had been so long.